What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and this is the pre-order video for my Pour Party number 5. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video, I sincerely appreciate it. This one here is just the pre-order video for my 5th ever live Pour Party. The Pour Party is going to be going on tonight on a live stream right here on my YouTube channel. It's going to be at 6 p.m. Pacific time or 9 p.m. Eastern time if you live over on the East Coast. I'm going to show you the molds that we're going to be pouring tonight. These are all molds that I poured before. I have 3 new things we're going to be offering tonight. I'm so incredibly excited because we have my brand new furnace that we're going to be using. So in honor of the new furnace, we're going to be pouring not just 1 or 2, but actually 3 new things. So let me go over the older molds first, then I'll go over the new stuff, and then I'm going to show you what we're giving away at the end of the live stream. So here we go. We are offering bars like normal. I've got the 5-ounce bar mold here. These are really cool. Always end up with epic ripples. Also have the 2-ounce. This is 2 or 3-ounce bar mold. That's always a favorite. Then we have the 1 or 2 smaller bar mold. Very, very cool. And then we have the Kit Kat bar mold. Really awesome one as well. So if you wanted to get a bar, one of those bars, all you have to do is just drop a comment in this video. Let me know which one you'd like to pre-order. Then show up to the party tonight and I'll pour it live for you and you can pick which one you want. So another thing I want to mention is that if no one asks for one of these items in the pre-order video, then we're just going to scratch them because we got a lot of stuff to go through tonight. It's going to be a blast, but let me show you the rest of the things. So we have the wolf mold that we're going to be doing as well. It's the wolf howling at the moon. This is a favorite of a lot of people's. Really stoked to be still doing that one. Of course, going to be doing the heart mold. A lot of people like getting the hearts for a loved one. These are really awesome with special stamping on those. I do want to mention too, I offer special stamping. I also offer hand hammered edges and antiquing. So those 3 things you can get on your pieces for a little bit extra, but those are very cool things to add. So I'm also going to be doing the skull mold. A lot of people love the skull mold. Let me show you an example of one of the skull pieces. This is what they look like antiqued. Really, really sweet. So these always end up looking cool. A lot of people love those. Those are usually around 2 or 3 ounces, somewhere in there. So awesome piece there. We are going to be offering the American flag mold again, the made in the USA. Lots of people got these 2 weeks ago. This was really, really popular. I think there was like 15 or 20 of these. So really awesome. These ones are a little bit bigger. We can go 2 to almost 4 ounces on those ones. So really cool. And I do have an example. This is actually a polished one. So made in the USA. Really cool pour. Lots of people like these ones. And then this one ended up being 2.9 ounces with really cool, unique ripples on the back of that one. So if you wanted to pre-order one of these, just drop a comment in the video, the pre-order video right here. Okay, now let's show you the new stuff that I'm going to be offering. I'm really, really excited. So the first of the new offerings is going to be this one right here. It is the Bitcoin mold. Now obviously this B is backwards, but when I pour it, it'll be flipped over, right? So the B will be normal. This looks like a Bitcoin, but it's the silver version. This is actually a really big mold. I think this is gonna pour pretty large, probably around 3 or 4 ounces. So this is gonna be on the bigger side. We might even be able to get one up to 5 ounces. That would be epic to get a massive Bitcoin pour. And on these bigger pours, the ripples end up looking awesome. The bigger the pour, the better the ripples. So really, really cool. I'm super stoked to be offering those tonight. So for the first time, it's the Bitcoin rounds. Now the next offering, because a lot of people love the skulls so much, I'm doing this one right here. These are really cool. Now this is different than the other ones because this is a bar. Most of the other things are rounds. But this is a cowboy skull bar, and he's executing his Second Amendment rights there with 2 rifles. So very cool. Looks like he's got a bandana on as well. I think this one is going to pour probably somewhere around 2 or 3 ounces. This one might be a little bit smaller, maybe 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces, something like that. But this is a really cool one. Never poured this before. Super stoked to see how these ones turn out. And then the last thing that we're going to be offering is this is only available to the first 4 people that request it, just because of the nature of it. Maybe I'll be able to try and do 5 or 6 during the stream, but definitely the first 4 will get one. So this, let me see if I can get it to show better, but this here is a dragon. Now this is really cool, and it's got a unique sort of pattern around it. You can see the wings on the dragon and the face right there, and then the dragon tail coming down at the bottom. So this is like a flying dragon. Really, really cool. I've never tried to do these before, but what I'm going to do is actually sand cast this piece here. So at least the first 4 people that request this sand casted dragon, it's going to be open cast, will get one. So then the backside here will be where the ripples are. Okay, so only the first 4 people can request one of these. Once I have 4 requests for these, then you'll just have to wait till the stream. I might try and pour like 6 of them, or maybe a little bit more. I don't know. It just depends on how many I can actually fit in molds before the stream. So like I said, this will be clay cast or sand cast. Those are going to be really cool. First time ever offering a casting to you guys during the pour party, where it's in the pre-order section. So really, really cool. This is another first, also in celebration of the new furnace. Okay, this is getting kind of long, so let me wrap it up. Okay, so at the end of the stream, we're going to be giving away this beauty right here. It is a Year of the Horse proof round 2014. Really, really cool. There's a lot of detail, but this is extremely shiny because it's a proof. Let me show you the other side here. These are really, really cool. So it's a 999 fine silver, 1 troy ounce. And you can see it says loyal, swift, powerful, elegant, and handsome on there. So someone will win this for absolutely free. To enter to win this, all you have to do is just guess the correct answer to a question I'm going to say at the end of the stream, and you can win this. So you don't have to buy anything, to be entered or anything like that. Literally anyone can win it. All you have to do is just be in the live stream tonight, and at the end of the stream, we're going to do the giveaway. So once everything gets poured, we'll do the giveaway, and then we'll wrap it out. It's going to be a blast. So the prices for everything are the exact same as 2 weeks ago. Nothing's changing at all. Free shipping, of course, to USA on all of the pieces. It's $28 per ounce. And then anything that's under an ounce is $1 per gram. So yeah, it's gonna be a blast. I always have a ton of fun during these pour parties. We're gonna go through a lot of stuff. So if you wanna order anything, please do a pre-order, because otherwise you might not get a chance to actually get one of the pours tonight. Otherwise show up to the live portion and hopefully you can snag something. So hope to see you all tonight. Silver Dragons out.